In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send 105 resume by email for Job Outlook, female. By the end, you'll know exactly how to package your application so it looks clean, professional, and easy for a hiring manager to review. Start by saving your resume as a PDF. This preserves your formatting so headings, fonts, and spacing look the same on every device. In your document editor, choose Export or Save as PDF, then give the file a clear professional name such as your name resume.pdf. Avoid vague or cluttered names. Open the PDF you just created to quickly check for odd line breaks, missing fonts, or tracked changes. Make sure your contact details are current and the document looks polished. Next, open Gmail or Outlook, either on the web or in the app, and click Compose or New Email to start a fresh message. In the To field, enter the hiring manager's email address carefully and double-check every character. A quick review here prevents misdelivery and saves time. For the subject line, keep it concise and professional. A reliable format is application for job title. Your name. If the posting includes a reference number, add it at the end. Skip all caps or emojis. Clarity helps your email stand out in a crowded inbox. Now write a brief, polite email body. In 3 to 5 sentences, mention the role you are applying for, where you found it if that adds context, and 1 or 2 strengths that align with the job. Note that your resume is attached and finish with a courteous sign-off and your full name. Keep paragraphs short and the tone confident but friendly. If a specific format is requested in the job ad, follow it closely. Attach your 105 by clicking the paperclip icon. Select your PDF and wait for the upload to fully complete before moving on. Confirm the file name is correct. And, if available, preview the attachment to ensure you selected the right document. Keep the file size reasonable so it's easy to download. Before sending, review everything carefully. Proofread the subject and email body, verify the recipient address, and confirm your attachment is present. Reading your message out loud can help catch small errors. Make sure the email looks good on both desktop and mobile previews if your platform supports it. When you are satisfied, click Send. That's the process. Thanks for watching.